our channel and hit the bell icon. Today I have a piece of chicken meat for my aunt's colony. I am just trying that they are eating it or not. I put it into my terrarium. After 2-3 minutes the ants come outside. They wanted to cut it down into pieces and take it into their colony. This colony is small, but after some weeks, after some months, the colony will become big colony. Every ant is trying well to cut a piece of meat. After some time, the situation is same like first situation. The ant is coming, going here and there, but they didn't cut it. After more time, I am taking the meat. What did they do with it? I take the meat and I saw that they didn't cut a large piece of it. This is like a first when I put it. So see you in next video with the feeding to ants with a new thing. Ants Colony. Please subscribe, like, share our channel.